Waxing is Xhosa Grammar. Adjectives. So in today's video, I'd like to show you how Xhosa adjectives work, and we're going to look at how to use them attributively. So you might know this from Afrikaans, the difference between saying die water is koud en die koue water, die berg is hoog, die hoë berg. So the one would be a predicate when you say something is a certain way, die water is koud, and the other is an attribute when you say die koue water, the cold water is in the glass or whatever. And we're going to look at how to use adjectives as attributes. And for that, we need to understand what relative stems are. So in Xhosa, we have a stem according to the noun class. We have a stem that introduces a relative clause. It's kind of like saying, you'll see in these examples, the person that does this, or that is such and such, which, who. For example, umntu uyathetha. The person or a person is speaking. Nanku umntu othethayo. Here is a person who is speaking. Here is a person that is speaking, or that speaks. Nanku umntu othetha kakuhle. Here is a person that speaks well. So the one is the long form, othethayo, and the short form, othetha, when we qualify it with how they speak. But what you should notice is just that when a noun starts with u, the relative stem is o. Or indoda iyathetha. The man is speaking. Nansi indoda ethethayo. Here is a man that speaks. Nansi indoda ethetha kakuhle. Here is a man that speaks well. So the e nouns get a for the relative stem. Here's some more stems to look into. Into emnandi. So we're using the adjective. In these examples, we use the adjective mnandi, meaning sweet or pleasant or nice, lekker. And we can see how the different relative stems are according to the noun group. Into emnandi, something sweet, something nice. Imini emnandi, a nice day, a day that is nice. Umntwana omnandi, a sweet child. Umculo omnandi, sweet music. Isonka esimnandi, nice bread. Izinto ezimnandi, things that are nice, things that are good. Ixesha elimnandi, a good time, a nice time. Ivumba elimnandi, a good smell, a smell that is nice. Uhambo olumnandi, a journey that is nice, a good journey. Usuku olumnandi, a day that is nice. Ubusuku obumnandi, an evening or a night that is nice. Ubomi obumnandi, a good life, a pleasant life. Amaxesha amnandi, good times. Amagama amnandi, sweet words. Ube nobusuku obumnandi, have a nice evening. Ube nolusuku olumnandi, have a nice day. So now that we understood the relative stems, let's focus on some adjectives, some other adjectives. Like for instance, the adjective which has the root de and means tall or long. Nansi indoda ende. Here is a tall man. Nanku umntu omde. Here is a tall person. Yindlela ende. It is a long road. It is a road that is long. Bendinemeni ende. I had a long day. I had a day that is long. Or kulu, meaning big or great. Nasi isikolo esikulu. Here is a school that is big. Here is a big school. Zipi inkomo zako ezinkulu. Where are your big cows? Or where are the cows of yours that are big? Zingaki ezinkulu ezi. These are big problems. There are problems that are big, these. And the adjective hle, meaning beautiful, it is also tle if it comes after an n. Nanku umntu omhle. Here is a beautiful person. Ndifuna izinto ezintle. I want beautiful things. Bendinemini entle. I had a nice day, a beautiful day. Unamehlo amahle. You have beautiful eyes. Dala means old. Nanku umtu omdala. Here is an old person. Nansi inja endala. Here is an old dog, a dog that is old. Kuko abantu abadala. There are people that are old. There are old people.